Hi everyone! Thank you so much for watching again today. In this video, I'll show you how to place different types of flowers on a Kenzan. I hope you enjoy it till the end. Today I'll be showing you how to work with 3 different types of flowers. First, let's start with flowers like sunflowers, which have heavy heads and can be difficult to keep standing upright. Sometimes, even when you want a flower to stand up straight, it ends up wobbling or falling over, right? This often happens with long-stem flowers like sunflowers. Even if you place them on a Kenzan, their heavy heads can cause them to topple. In that case, try adding a supporting stem to help hold it upright. Cut a piece of the sunflower stem about 5 cm long and place it near the base of the flower, on the side where it tends to fall. This extra stem will act as a support, helping the flowers stand tall and steady. Isn't it lovely how it now stands up so straight and proud? It gives the whole arrangement a fresh, lifted feeling. It's a simple trick that really makes a difference. Next, let's talk about flowers with very thin stems that are hard to place directly on a Kenzan. Today I'll be using statice as an example. But this method also works well for flowers like delphinium, which I used in my peony video, and baby breath, anything that tends to bend or slip when you try to place it. It's just too thin to go in properly. That's when this little trick comes in handy. Today I'll show you how to do it using a rose stem. Next, it's time for the bamboo skewer. Cut about 3 cm of the rose stem and use the bamboo skewer to make a hole right in the center. This time I happen to use a rose stem, but you can use any kind of stem as long as you can make a hole in the center. Just avoid using hollow stems because once you try, you'll see they're really tricky to work with it. Once you've made the hole, insert the stem of the statice into it. This little trick makes it much easier to place on the Kenzan. With this technique, you can shape your arrangement freely in any direction you like. It gets more and more fun as you go, doesn't it? The third technique is for working with hard, woody branches. Thick and stiff branches can be really tricky to insert into a Kenzan, right? It's so tough, it just doesn't want to go in. Make a small crisscross cut at the tip of the branch. This helps opening up just enough so you can insert it more easily into the Kenzan. This also helps the water travel up the stem more easily. Once the branch is in place, it's easier to add other flowers. And the whole piece looks much more put together. Nice and neat, don't you think? That's all for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. I hope this video brings happiness and peace to your heart. And if you like to be even more healed by the beauty of flowers, please check out my ebook. It's available both English and Japanese, so if you are interested in the Japanese language, be sure to take a look at the Japanese version too. You'll find all the details in the description box below. Thank you for watching till the end. See you next time. Bye!